Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. I got my March Sterling Ink subscription, so if you like watching these kind of videos, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I got my March sampler subscription kit. It's like 20 bucks. I like this one, is really small. Of course I looked at it already because, you know, that's what I gotta do. But here it is. Look at how pretty and cute it is. So let's see what we got. I gotta say, I already looked at it. I don't know, it looks a little weird to me. It looks a little retro, if that's what you want to call it. This is what was stuck clearly between holding the paper, and I always keep it because I can glue this. Here is the calendar for March. Hope you can see it. Yes, you can. Got a few big pieces, a few samplers. Here are 4 windows, so this is what I mean about retro. It got some bright retro kind of look to it. She still did a lot of flowers, which it was good. That's the 4 windows. Here's another 4 windows. You see how it looks a little retro? Then here is the smaller pieces. So she did do still a bunch of flowers. Here's another one with flowers. And then here is the big ones. So here you can probably see where is retro, more retro. And then here is the one with the shimmering on it, which I love. Let's see if it looks different on the white. There you go. Here you go. Oh, come on, get it together. So that's that one. Sorry, you're getting blurred. You're being blurred. I also, this one also has shimmery. Alright, sorry about that. I had people running around. And then this is the thing that was covering the blue paper. Here's the freebies. Here's the March calendar. So you see the retro part of it. I'm calling it retro. I don't even know if that's really what it's called, but. And then here is the big piece. Yep, so that's for February. Not February, sorry, March kit. And I tend to use it all within the whole entire month of March. Now my coffee is ready, but that's it for the Sterling Ink kit. I'm not sure what the big one brings because I don't buy it. To me, it's too much. And if I don't use it, it's a waste of money. And I'd rather just buy what I use and call it a day. But thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.